At last, it is time to return to my childhood. My childhood filled with fishing gear and Nerf guns. Now, if y'all been watching the videos for a while, you know that this will not be the first Nerf Gun Fishing Rod / reel that we have made. We made one years ago. Have that video linked below, and it was a really popular 2-video series. So I decided it is finally time to remake the Nerf Gun Fishing Rod, but this time even bigger and even better. Except not bigger, it's much smaller, but sometimes the best gifts come in the small packages. Now this is gonna be a very complicated build, so I need y'all to hang with me. It's gonna take a while, but I'll walk you through every step of the process, just hang with me. Well, I mean, that's pretty much it. So, now we just gotta find a way to get a hook in the dart. It is officially time for the proudest moment of my entire life. Round 2 of the Nerf Gun Fishing Rod. We have made it out to a body of water because it is officially time to test out the micro Nerf Gun Fishing Rod. I think this is gonna work. All we have is a hook below our Nerf dart, which is obviously gonna act as our bobber, and then I have some pepperoni as bait. So I think this is gonna be great. Good little pond fish, and see if we can't catch something. We are going to bait up our hook just like that. Now this is how simple it is, right? Open the bail, push the dart in. The gun's already loaded. Then we can kind of make our little customizable depth at how far we want this thing to sit. Make sure that bail is open is the biggest thing. And then we're gonna walk over. We're gonna shoot. Here we go. First official cast. Okay, that was pretty bad. I'm not gonna lie. How you doing? Yeah, we got a fan. Old Ryan Villa. Shout out to you, Ryan. You made the video. And Roger. Guest appearances. Screw it. We are taking this thing deep. I don't know if this is possible, but we're about to find out. Come on, come on. Oh my gosh, it worked. We have a fish. We have a fish on it. Ready? Got him. Got him. We got him. We got him. We're on. We're on. We did it! We did it! We did it! On the Nerf Gun Fishing Rod. This has been absolutely a grind. I can't not even tell y'all how hard it has been to catch a gosh darn bluegill, but we did it on the Nerf Gun Fishing Rod round 2. Thank you, my brother. Let's catch another one. This thing is honestly so fun to work. Oh, that could be money. That could be money. Oh, yep. That's a bass. That's a bass. Got him. No, it's a bluegill. It's another bluegill, but I got him. I got him. We're doing it on the Nerf Gun fishing reel. Another bluegill. Well, it is official. Nerf Gun Fishing Rod 2.0 works, and I would actually argue it works better than the original one I made. It's much more compact, it actually casts further, and it was really easy to reel and fish. We caught those 2 bluegill, which was a great test run, and I'll make a deal with y'all. I'm going ambitious for this one. If we can get over 1,000 views and over 30 likes on this video, we are going to go and do the most ambitious thing we can do and try and catch ourselves a monster bass on this tiny little rod. Yes, the Nerf Gun Fishing Rod 2.0, 1,000 views on the video and 30 likes, and we're going to catch ourselves a 3, 4, 5+ pound bass on the rod, in the little Nerf Gun rod. So thank y'all very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And also shout out to WindRider. The shirt I'm wearing is the Hooded Helios shirt. If y'all want to check them out, I have them linked below. Make some awesome fishing clothing and outdoor gear. So make sure y'all check them out. Thank you again for watching. See y'all next time.